Hello and welcome to an Explained Factor today, loading the flight plan and the FMS MCDU of the A320 by JarDesign. Here you've opened the plane, open the navigation display to make it larger, click on it and go to the FMS. Diff script, you're going to go through D, put nothing in it. Init page, enter departure destination aerodrome. I'll choose KJFK KBOS. KJFK slash KBOS, you enter in the scratch pad and select top right. And here you normally have the two first lines. I have the third line, flight plan, because I loaded it from SimBrief. This third line comes from SimBrief, and I'll show you how to do it. You would place it here. You would place it in your hard drive Explain 11 folder. You would enter aircraft and extra aircraft, in my case for the JarDesign A320, and in flight plans. Now, there are already many flight plans. The top one here, .text. This simple flight plan comes from SimBrief. It will be done by hand, but it is loaded from SimBrief here. Created a free account. Create a departure destination, flight number, everything you wish. And it gives you, suggests a flight plan, plots the waypoints. If you're happy with this, or change it, create a flight plan and then download the file. It's a .text in the case of JarDesign. Download the right file for the right aircraft and place it where I shown previously. Here's the waypoints, flight plan, insert it if you're happy with it, and carry on loading the init page. You should put the plan mode on the navigation display here in the scale you wish to see and continue seeing flight plan. Select the right range. Flight plans entered, merit or KBOS, but there are discontinuities. So we'll first finish filling up, so align inertial reference system, finish entering the init page, France 123 flight, whatever, 23, cost index 50 or whichever, flight level, cruise flight level and temperature, finish entering the init page, minus 10 degrees. Check the second page, it's all loaded with data, weights. So next, diff IF flight plan, now go to the flight plan page. There are discontinuities, and you can't clear them. If you click clear and click discontinuity, it doesn't work, because you've not entered the SID and stars. So click top left, KJFK load departure, click the airport, click departure, select a departure, whichever, departure procedure, so 04 right, and a SID. You can select SID which is closer to the rest of your, you see merit 3 goes direct to merit, that's ideal without any transition. If you put the put transition PUT, PUT is quite far away from merit, it's useless. You see here now I've just selected it. PUT is a bit far, so I'd rather click no transition and back to temporary flight plan and insert temporary flight plan. That's loaded. The 04 right departure is loaded. But if you go below, if you click the upper arrow, there's still a discontinuity before arrival because you've not selected the star, arrival. Click on KBOS, click arrival, select the star. So select the approach procedure, ILS 33 left maybe, zoom in on the navigation display and select a star. Select star. All 6 is the closest to merit, so all 6. Any waypoints? No, better put no waypoints. Insert temporary flight plan. And there still are discontinuities, we'll erase, and this time you can clear and click it. Click clear and click flight plan discontinuity. Erase it, temporary insert. And now we've inserted the whole flight plan. There are no discontinuities. You can check, navigate up and down the up and down arrow and go through the flight plan with each points. From departure JFK to merit, Merit next point after OR BVD. Point CRAN with constraints in magenta. Speed and altitude. COAS 3000 feet at least. Nimoy arrival at 33 left K-boss. And Waxine in turquoise blue. Missed approach procedure up to 3000 feet. Flight plan is loaded, and there are no discontinuities. You've loaded it with SimBrief, and you've also changed it, modified it by hand direct in the. Go back to ARC mode to navigate and select a range. That's how you load a flight plan in the A320 JarDesign, having prepared it with SimBrief. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.